This project uses 2 containers of 40 feet. It is a standard design and should meet the demands of different family needs in different locations. The raised foundation was designed to avoid moisture or flood in the house. Also, it can easily adapt to different terrains like hilly plots. This house should also attend to small plots, and repetition soon of the facades does not have windows, which mean no problem with natural light or ventilation if built very close to a neighbor. Hope you subscribe to the channel. This house is composed of single bedroom of 6.89 square meters that fit 2 single beds, 1 bedside table, and 1 wardrobe of 1.2 meters. A double bedroom of 6.69 square meters that fit 1 double bedroom, 1 bedside table, and a wardrobe of 1.8 meters. A living room of 23.9 square meters that fit 1 sofa, 2 armchairs with a side table, 1 sideboard, TV rack, and a dining table for 6 people. A toilet of 2.71 square meters. Kitchen of 5.79 square meters that fit 1 fridge, 1 hob, an oven, sink, washer, and small bar table with 2 chairs. The veranda of 17 square meters and a garage of 12.54 square meters. The total internal area is 51 square meters, and the total external area is 80.78 square meters. The floor plan of this project has 2 containers placed next to each other and swiped with a distance of 2.4 meters left to right. Swiping the containers, the external corrugated walls divide the bedrooms. The structure of the containers is on the corners and the corrugated steel walls, so when long cuts are avoided, the container house is cheaper because it does not need structural reinforcement. The kitchen is detached in one side of the container, and it has a bar table with 2 seats as a transitional element between the kitchen and the living space. Opposite to the kitchen, it has a bedroom on the other side of the container. The internal space created by swiping the container creates a separate area for bedrooms and a toilet, connected by a small corridor. The small corridor provides privacy for the bedrooms and makes the living room convenient and useful. The final shape of this house creates 2 distinct external spaces. The space in front of the kitchen is the garage, as it is very close to the main entrance. The space on the opposite side of the house can be a private outdoor space or a private veranda for one of the bedrooms. The volume produced by the position of the containers on this project has a concept of movement in different block positions, so different heights were thought to emphasize this idea. The outdoor living area and the garage have the same roof heights and same level to express continuity, and they are very close to the main entrance as transitional spaces. Hope you subscribe to the channel. The ideal solar orientation for this project is the bedrooms facing east, veranda facing south, south on north hemisphere and north on south hemisphere. This solar orientation provides the morning sun on the bedrooms, and the veranda protects the house from overheating during summer, creating a shaded area like the garage does to the house, avoiding overheating during the late afternoon. Other elements that increase thermal comfort in the house are the materials and windows. The windows are long, so they provide more lights to get in the house, and they act as part of its structure as it occupies a vertical portion of the container. As metals are good conductors of temperature, the container can be very warm during summer and very cold during winter. For this reason, the interiors of the external walls are filled with 10 cm insulation. The structure of the insulation and plasterboard is formed by wood studs, as metal studs can be good thermal conductive as well. The internal walls are also covered with insulation to increase acoustic comfort. The external walls are covered with wood cladding and cement panels. The textures and colors of these 2 materials create good contrast to the facades of the house. The wood is used only in the main entrance, with a different material, higher height, wall lights, and the steps that are the focal point of the facade. The roof of this house is made with simple fiber cement corrugated sheet, which has a lower inclination angle, so it is covered by parapet walls, and the structure of the veranda ceilings is made with steel black pillar painted in black. These 2 elements enhance the modern and minimalist style of this house. Hope you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content.